Hey guys, this is Michael Mongelli from MarineMax here in Sarasota, standing aboard a brand new 2024 270 SDX from Sea Ray. This is an outboard version. So to start off, we feature a black 300 V8 motor, lots of power. Standing aboard the swim platform here, which is outfitted with the SeaDek option. Back here, a lot of comfortable seating. This pops up to contour to your knees, and then you've got deep storage on both sides. As you move forward, this particular boat features the stone gray interior and the infinity carpeting. Both sides of the helm here will go back and forth, so you can sit aft or face forward. Nicely appointed head in here with sink, vacuum flush head. This boat has a premium stereo option, including these rocket launchers that are mounted on both sides. Nicely appointed dash, big 12-inch GPS unit, fusion stereo, syncs up wirelessly to your phone, and bolstered seating on both sides. Let's move forward to the bow. Lots of seating here, included a squared off nose here. Features the windlass, LED lighting underneath all the cushions, guys, so it's great accent lighting for the boat, as well as armrests on both sides. So again, brief walkthrough here of the 2024 Sea Ray 270 SDX. Hope you'll come see us in Sarasota.